Okay, today we are going to solve one of the Olympiad problem, mathematics Olympiad problem. Question is that solve 3 to the power x plus 4 to the power x equal to 5 to the power x. That means we are going to find the value of x here. So let's start. Solution 3 to the power x plus 4 to the power x equal to 5 to the power x. So this equation can be written as 3 by 5 whole to the power x plus 4 by 5 whole to the power x equal to 1. So this 3 by 5 is less than 1, this 4 by 5 is also less than 1. So since minus 1 is less than equal to 3 by 5 is less than equal to 1, so we can assume we let sin theta equal to 3 by 5. As we get the sin theta, let us try to find the value of cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now here we know the value of sin theta, so substitute that value here, square plus cos square theta equal to 1. From here we can find the value of cos square theta equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. So next cos square theta will be equal to 16 by 25. So we get this much. So here we can proceed the next part. So cos theta will be equal to 4 by 5. Cos theta equal to 4 by 5. Now we see that this is sin theta and this is cos theta. Therefore if we give it the number 1, therefore 1 can be written as so this is sin to the power x theta plus cos to the power x theta equal to 1. Now from trigonometry we know that this condition is true only when sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So comparing these two, we get x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 is the answer. So next question, let us try to solve this one. So 4 to the power x equal to 3x plus 1. Let us try to solve this one. So solution 4 to the power x equal to 3x plus 1. So we can see that 4 to the power x equal to 3x plus 1. So by trial we can see that if x equal to 1, then left hand side will be equal to 4 to the power 1 equal to 4, and right hand side will be equal to 3 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. So therefore one solution is x equal to 1. But this may not be the only solution, so we can try for the others. So 4 to the power x equal to 3x plus 1. 4 to the power x is equal to 3x plus 1, which can be written as 4 to the power x minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, at this step we can think about the functions. So we let f of x equal to 4 to the power x minus 3x minus 1. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get f dash x equal to 4 to the power x log of 4 minus 3. If we do the second order derivative, then f double dash x will be equal to 4 to the power x again log 4, so ultimately it is log of 4 whole square. So which will be always greater than 0 for every x belongs to the real number. So here we see that f double dash x is greater than 0 for every x belongs to real number. So f double dash x is greater than 0 for every real number which is an increasing function, which is an increasing function. Therefore solution will be 1, only as x equal to 1 satisfies this given condition. So our equation has only one root, therefore our equation has only one root, therefore x equal to 1 is the required answer. I am taking the third question here, so I am today going to solve only the 3 questions. So in the next video I will try to solve another 3 questions. So here solve m cube plus m square equal to 36. This is the question. So solution will be like this: m cube plus m square minus 36, okay, equal to 36. So I can take it m cube plus m square minus 36 equal to 0. So here we cannot do the middle term splitting, we cannot use the other formulas also. So we considered it is a function of m. We let f of m is equal to m cube plus m square minus 36. So by trial we can find the one of the root of this equation. By trial f of 3, you can put the value 1, minus 1, then 2, minus 2, then 3, minus 3, and you need to show that that value equal to 0. So that will become the root of one root of this equation. So we see that 3 cube plus 3 square minus 36. So this will give us 27 plus 9 minus 36. So 36 minus 36 equal to 0. So f3 is equal to 0. The meaning is that therefore m minus 3 is a factor of fm. So as we get one of the factor, so there is so many methods to find out the other factor, but here I am going to use one more simple way to find out the other factors. So now m cube plus m square minus 36 is equal to, we will use this one to find out the other factors. So first I write here m minus 3. In the first place what we need, m cube. So m minus 3 should be multiplied by m square. The result will be equal to m cube minus 3m square. Okay, in the next step we need, so first we write here m square, then we need here again m minus 3 we will write. So we need m square, but here as we are going to add all this part, so here it is minus 3m square. So if I write like this 4m, the result will be equal to 4m square minus 12m, 4m square minus 12m. If we add this two part, so m cube plus m square will come here. So I add here plus 4m into m minus 3. So now our next part is requires minus 36. So again I have to use this m minus 3 here. So m minus 3, so now we have to multiply this m minus 3 in such a way that minus 12m should get cancelled. So I will multiply it by 12. So what we see, 12m minus 36. So I can write here 12. So now it is factorized. So m minus 3, m minus 3, m minus 3 is everywhere common. So we can take m minus 3 as common. So we get m square plus 4m plus 12. So now it is factorized. So m cube plus m square minus 36 is equal to m minus 3 plus m square plus 4m plus 12. Now we come back to the original equation. What is the original equation? M cube plus m square minus 36 equal to 0. So we can replace this part by this one. So m minus 3 multiplied by m square plus 4m plus 12 equal to 0. As the product of these two part is 0, at least one of them must be equal to 0. So we can see that either m minus 3 equal to 0 or m square plus 4m plus 12 equal to 0. From this part we get m equal to 3, and here we see that it is cannot be factorized, and it is not also any formula, standard formula. So let us try to solve it by the quadratic formula. So m will be equal to minus b, so here it will be minus 4 plus minus root over b squared, that is 4 squared, minus 4a, a is here 1, and c divided by 2a. So here we can see that a equal to 1, b equal to 4, and c equal to 12. So using the quadratic formula, so we can write this way. The next step will be equal to minus 4 plus minus root over, this will be 16 minus 48 divided by 2. So we get 16 minus 48 divided by 2. Then we can go for further part. So here we can see that this is minus 4 plus minus root over, this is minus 32 by 2. So you can see that 32 is 16, then 2 it is 8, then 2 it is 4, then 2 it is 2, but minus sign is there, so it is not a real number. So we have to use the concept of complex number. So after simplifying this part, we can have minus 4 plus minus 2 root 2, sorry, this is not 2 root 2, this will be this one and this one, that will be 4 root 2 I by 2. Then dividing by 2, we can see that the answer will come as minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2 I. So our answers are therefore m is equal to 3 and comma minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2 I. So this is the 3 questions we have solved today. In the next video I will solve 3 more questions, and thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.